Push notifications are very powerful for improving user retention and driving traffic to your website or app. Industry data shows that using push notifications can increase user retention by 3 to 10 times compared to not using them. Additionally, the average click-through rate for push notification ads is a remarkable 15%, which is quite high compared to other forms of digital advertising. Push notification traffic is also one of the cheapest ways to advertise online. When you consider the strong user retention, high click-through rates, and low cost, it's clear that push notifications are a valuable strategy that shouldn't be ignored or underestimated. In this article, we will provide a comprehensive explanation of what push traffic is and share proven strategies for using it effectively to consistently generate profitable results for your advertising campaigns. What is push traffic? Push traffic refers to the audience that comes from push notifications. The process works like this. A website shows a notification, the user clicks on it, and they are then added to the push advertising mailing list. After that, their device will periodically receive offers to make a purchase or take some other action. Push notifications as an advertising method started gaining popularity around 2012, but the technology behind them is older. In 2009, BlackBerry introduced a feature to notify phone owners of new emails through notifications. A year later, Apple used a similar method to communicate with users, and Google followed the year after. Studies show that smartphone owners are usually more willing to subscribe to these types of notifications.